Hello everyone. If you're looking for a clean, high-performance way to add wireframe visuals to your Unity projects, this asset is definitely worth checking out. Wireframe Effects is a powerful and easy-to-use shader that lets you bring your models to life with dynamic wireframe rendering. It supports URP, HDRP, and the built-in render pipeline, and it also works great on mobile platforms, which makes it very flexible for different types of projects. With this asset, you can render wireframes in real time and customize almost everything, including line thickness, color, and animation, all controllable directly through scripts. It's perfect for sci-fi games, tech demos, holographic or futuristic visuals, as well as AR and VR experiences. Another big advantage is performance. Wireframe Effects is designed to be lightweight and optimized, so it won't hurt your frame rate, even in complex scenes. Setup is also super simple. Just drag and drop, follow the clear documentation, and you're ready to go in minutes. If you want to give your project a more stylized, technical, or professional look, this wireframe shader can really make your visuals stand out. I put the purchase link in the video description, and you can also find it in the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.